In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Puabundler Windows 32 virus in Windows 11 or on your Windows General. So this should be a quick and easy process video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the search menu, type in security, and after that, the first option, just click on open. This window will pop up for you. Just go ahead, click on the shield icon, or just click on Scan Viruses and Track Protection. After that, you can do a quick scan, or you can go ahead, click on Scan Options. From here, you can choose to do a full scan or a custom scan if you have time on your hands. You can now do a quick scan, as you can see, and then just give it a couple of minutes to finish. There you have it. I hope this will resolve your issue, and as always, thank you for watching.